ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Ajing Krumar kalami hakishnong Bamarjan jong ka litent bat mangkot haka district Ukhrul jong ka Manipur kabala penlong ya kinong shongshnong ban phet krat nala ki jong ki ying kisam laya thu baka jing yakan at kalami hapdeng ki khot jong ka jat binriu tangkhul naga bat kuki ki pulet ki lapin tikna ba ki don arpusan tiliki ying bat sau tiliki ying sa jong ka sarkar ki bala sha thang bat layo asngau ya ki jing sawa suloi hakapor bajai ki jing yakan at kabala penmi ya ka jingti ki bor pahara ki bakan thop ya ki sipai BSF CRPF Assam Rifle but kiwe ki kinhon CAPF kila don hakatay ka jaka la pinjari ya kapak hang shnong hakashnong litan tat hadu banda penni da kiwe pat ki hukum la register ya ka FIR but ka jing toket kadangnya chakman.
We have just 3-4 days we start. We have not even formed the full cabinet, full government also. So, but we cannot rest. So, we are coming out to work with the people,
so
understanding the feeling of the people.
Sir, what is the overall assessment of the situation? You had detailed discussion also.
Yeah. It'll improve. It'll surely improve because the people also want to have peace. It was started, as I said just now. It was started because of few people. Because of some, we can say they are rascal. So it was misunderstood. It was being communalized. It is very unfortunate. So now we came to understand. So slowly the people understand. So it'll.
Any message for the people of Manipur?
That's why I've just said we need peace. Peace is the only way for us, Manipur. As you said, because of this, Honorable Prime Minister, with his blessing, Home Minister, with his blessing, we want peace in Manipur. So a new popular government has been installed in Manipur to bring peace in the state. That is our objective, priority.
Thank you, sir. All the best.
Oh, hibai na no sim zu he. He. No sim jin he. Chứ thông nhân là cốp tay rồi chứ. Rồi miễn siêu là, yu siêu là, phước kiều là. I don't know. No, cái gì thằng tên này nè. Cái kia. Chỉ là cái những lúc anh đi xử nào là cốp tay rồi chứ mà thấy. Kia. Cái gì vậy là. Chứ. Ôi yeah. Chứ hibai nấu cà ri chứ này. Chứ. Có tao là quyết thoát tay mình cái này. Chứ ran chơi là thoát tay rồi. Lúc đó xin là sau chụp gì